Hey guys, it's my second time filming this because the car thingy got a bit loose. Just wanted to give you guys some updates. Number one, we've decided not to run the Feng Shui bedroom workshop this Sunday, as I'll just get this do not disturb off on my phone. As well, number one, nobody's booked yet. Why? Because I haven't really been advertising it, because I've been so busy with my husband and his surgery and his recovery and painting and all the things. So we've bumped that one out to February, and we're just going to run with the January workshop, which will be the intentional beginnings. I want to try and direct you guys over to YouTube if I can, because if I get 50 subscribers over on YouTube, and I am doing more proper releasing consistent videos over there talking about a certain subject. I'm also getting back on board with my Declutter with me, so I've put another couple up over there. I started that about 3-4 months ago, and even though I declutter every day, I've gotten really bad at not recording. So I filmed a video earlier today, but the phone holder started acting up, and my declutter for today was supposed to be my rego plate. I'm not going to show you the front of it. Somebody reversed into the back of my car last week in Bunnings and smashed my plate up, but an hour was not enough time at the Department of Transport to get it sorted without being late for the kids. So I left a couple of minutes early, and I literally have to start driving in a minute so I can get my kids. But I wanted to show you this. So my other in-laws, not my other in-laws, are coming on Monday, and I needed to get a new bottom sheet, but now that we've painted that room, the pale blue doesn't really go with the dark green. So I picked up this for what I thought was $40. I actually didn't even get the full price of it. And I picked up this fitted sheet, flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases that was $30. And then I went to pay for them, and they had been discounted more. So I should have paid, I think it was $70 for the 2 of them. And I only paid $57. Now apparently this one would have been $60, and this one was $210. You can believe that. So yeah, my breakthrough necklace is working for me. Anyway, I will get on the road. So yeah, so back to YouTube, because my brain is all over the place today. Hello ADHD. Part of the reason why I'm sending you guys over there is, number one, you'll actually get access to a much more focused version of me, where I am focusing on a certain topic. I am going to start getting up to the point where I'm releasing 2 videos a week over there. And I was thinking I would go live maybe a couple of times a month at a time that suits everyone. And then, yeah, just go live over there more, because I think you're more limited on Instagram and Facebook. I can look into multi-streaming platforms as well, and see how I could set that up. You know, and we could just get together and be like, hey, tonight I will answer your questions on bedroom feng shui, or I'll show you how to make an intention spray, or I'll do a communal salt burn, or whatever. And if you guys have any questions, I can answer them, or I can take the questions and do a bit more research and get back to you with some answers, and just hang out. Because things are coming back into balance for us. So yeah, just see how we go. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to share today. How is all with everyone else? And yeah, we're painting the outside of our house. It is looking really good. My mum is here helping because she thought she'd be helping a lot more with the kids and the house and all of that, but Tom's being pretty good all in all, so then I'm able to keep on top of that. So she was like, you get me some paint and I'll paint your house for you. She's been amazing. With the 25 before 2025, we've painted the house. Before she came, I wouldn't have even put that on the list for this year. We've hung the 3 doors. I have been doing workouts in the morning to help me focus, and it has been helping. What else have I been smashing? I've booked Oshin in for his operation, so that's going to happen before the end of this year for his tonsillitis. I'd have to have the rest of the list in front of me, but I'm going to film and release a video soon on tips and tricks to do the 25 before 2025 to make it more meaningful and more intentional. If you are planning on doing it, I know you only have about 6 weeks left, but as somebody that this is my 7th year, I believe, doing it, freaking love that list. And I love this time of year because I shed, I declutter, I shed, I level up. I don't want to bring shit into 2025 that I don't have to, so it's like, what else can I do? So I absolutely love that list. It has really, really, really helped me as a serial procrastinator who thinks I've got all the time in the world to do stuff. It has really helped me over the last 7 years. So yeah, and sometimes it's just taking that initial step so that you've already built the momentum. It's not, you know, I need to lose 20 kilos by the end of the year. No, it's I just need to get into a routine of working out for my mental health, not even for my body, by the end of the year. Or I need to book an appointment to see somebody to start the ball rolling. I might not be able to get that procedure or whatever that I don't know if it's a counselor or something done in the time I've got left, but I can make a phone call and I can schedule it in. So yeah, that is what's happening with me. I will let you guys go, and I will talk to you soon. I think I've got another video already scheduled for this Friday on YouTube, but I need to start batch editing and getting the rest updated. I've just been putting it off because I've been painting windows, and that is slower than you would think. But my mum has finished the white now, so I can take all her canvas and kind of drop cloths, lay them all out in a row, get all the windows off, and I'm going to try and do a lot of prep tonight, so then it'll be just bam 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 bam, bam tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a long day of painting windows, and hopefully I can get it finished. So yeah, that's what's been happening over here. Hope all is well with you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.